Are you publishing books on Amazon KDP but barely making any sales? You're not alone. A lot of new publishers struggle to get their books noticed, and today, I'm going to break down the real reasons why your KDP books aren't selling, and how to fix them. Problem number 1. Your niche is too competitive. One of the biggest mistakes new publishers make is choosing a niche that's way too competitive. If you're creating coloring books, planners, or journals without a unique angle, you're competing with thousands of others. Fix. Use low-competition keywords. Use tools like BookBolt, Self-Publishing Titans, or manual Amazon search. Look for gaps in the market. For example, instead of a generic gratitude journal, try a gratitude journal for new moms or for anxiety relief. Check the top-selling books in your niche and find ways to make yours better or different. Problem number 2. Weak title and subtitle. Your book title is your first impression. If your title is unclear, boring, or not keyword optimized, people will scroll right past it. Fix. Use keywords naturally, but avoid stuffing. Make the title clear and benefit-driven. Example. Instead of Daily Planner, use The Ultimate ADHD Daily Planner for focus and productivity. Use a strong subtitle to add extra keywords and clarity. Problem number 3. Your cover isn't eye-catching. Let's be real. People do judge a book by its cover. If your cover looks amateurish, outdated, or generic, you're losing sales. Fix. Study best-selling covers in your niche and follow their design patterns. Use high-contrast colors and bold typography that are easy to read. If design isn't your strength, hire a freelancer, Fiverr, Upwork, or use tools like Canva or Affinity Designer. Problem number 4. Poor interior and formatting. Even if people buy your book, bad formatting can lead to bad reviews, and bad reviews kill sales. Fix. Use high-quality interiors, not generic templates that everyone uses. Format properly with tools like Affinity Publisher, Canva, or PowerPoint. Offer bonus features. For example, if it's a planner, add habit trackers or goal-setting pages. Problem number 5. No marketing or promotion publishing. Your book is just the first step. If you're not promoting it, you're relying on luck. And luck isn't a strategy. Fix. Run Amazon ads. Even a small budget can boost visibility. Leverage Pinterest, YouTube, or Medium to drive organic traffic. Offer freebies or lead magnets to grow an audience outside Amazon. Bonus tip. The power of A+ content. Amazon lets you add A+ content for free, and it makes your book look more professional. Add lifestyle images showing your book in use. Use comparison charts to highlight why your book is better than others. So if your books aren't selling, don't give up. Just fix these mistakes. Focus on the right niche, improve your covers, write compelling titles, and most importantly, promote your books. Comment below. What's your biggest struggle with KDP? Let's talk. Subscribe for more KDP tips.